everyone, welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios. This is take two because I know the first video is not going to upload in time for us to chat today. So I wanted to take and give you a walkthrough of what I've done with this journal. You saw the paper bag front, and then I did the paper bag for the inside for the back. But I've done a couple of things different. Number one, this was inside the front bag. Remember, we had done that notebook to put in there. Well, now I have a matchbook with the notepads from Walmart in there, and I've taken, there's like 4 sheets of each of the 3 designs, so there's 12 or 15 sheets in there. We had made this pocket with the painted papers and the stamps and some of the elements from Natalie at LineDotArrow from her Spring Bloom kit. And then this was the notebook we initially did. And then I've added things. I added a couple of more tags. I found several tags that I had made a couple of years ago from a master board. And then when I went to use them, I couldn't find them. So it doesn't hurt to have bases on hand, trust me, because I've had plenty to fill this now. This was from one of the cabinet cards from Natalie's kit. I turned it into a pocket, and there was another one of those tags that I had lost and found again. This is a note card and envelope from Stampin' Up. This note card was really tight going into that bag, so I trimmed it down narrow and rounded the corner so it would slide in and out of there. I still need to put something on here. Haven't decided what it's going to be yet. In fact, let me pop my ephemera open and see. Family would be good in there. It's big enough. Spring would be good in there. Bloom. Let's do Bloom. And I'm going to take my Teresa Collins ink pad and edge that because I've been trying to add this gold in whenever I can. And because Natalie already has the brown distress on there, it's okay. It's okay. So I'm going to take my Tombow glue. I just use a sugar bell bottle for frosting cakes and put my, and let's see if we can center that a little bit. Okay, so there's that one. This is another pocket from Natalie. I'm going to be gluing over to here. And I want to make sure that I get everything in this morning. That's why I'm recording this twice. I have checked into other internet, and believe it or not, Usenet is my best option. I looked into Viasat, but when I went in to check reviews, nobody gave them more than a single star, and they are not rated with the Better Business Bureau. One lady said she left a single star because she couldn't leave a review without it, or she wouldn't have even given it 1 star. So, yes, Usenet it is. I have this bag pocket that we made with the collaging, and I stuck one of the ticks. This was one of the tags that we made with the typewriter book, and I covered it in napkin and then put some of the blue Easter dye paper on the back of it, and I really need to take my eraser gooey to that and get it off of there. And then this was one of my taller tags from that master board, and it was fit perfect in there. I love this center page from Natalie's kit. Then I have another one of those pockets, and it's going to go over here. Let's see, can I get it glued into place really quick? I worked on this yesterday, and I just got to the point where I just couldn't do anything else last night. I needed to stop. I needed to stop. So I wanted to get up and finish this morning. And getting up this morning wasn't a whole lot easier. Now I'll put that down. Squish that down and give it a minute. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn the page and mash it down. I loved Natalie's collage sheets in here. This is another one of her tags, or one of her cabinet cards. And I'm going to come back and do it like I did the other one, made it a pocket. Just want to go down one side. I could use double-sided tape for this, but I don't trust double-sided tape for anything I want to keep. And I just glued that upside down. Ah, crumb cookies. Oh, well, you'll have that. And then this one I'm going to cut down to fit into there. My flowers are upside down. And then there's this, and I need to put a card in here. This was a pocket from Natalie's kit. And I glued it to yellow. And then there's the back of the book. Now these are, I've got this other bag. I turned it inside so the pockets are inside as opposed to being on the outside on the front. And so I need to put a card up in here. I have this one here. And then these are from notepads that I got around Easter at Walmart. And I'm going to take and turn those into a notebook and then just tuck the notebook into the pocket. And that is my journal for spring, for the spring color challenge. I have several items here left to work with. I'm going to set this off to the side. Oh, here was the tickets I was talking about that I can tuck into small places that are perfect colors for this. I have more of Natalie's papers over here to work with. I have more of the Easter egg dyed papers. I have more of the book pages. I have more of the tags. I have this little ephemera left from Natalie's kit. And then I have tags and stuff left here. These I'd like to turn into pockets, but I'm not sure if I'm going to have to trim them down. They're going to be too wide for this. Let me flip open here. You can see here that's quite a bit wider. I may not even use these. I may save them for another journal because of their width. And then I have these left to work with. These Stampin' Up! Cases are great for storing ephemera in. But these punch-outs all came from a punch-out sheet, and I've got the tag of it in here somewhere. These little pieces here, they are from an outdoorsandmore.com, and I've had these in my scrap rack for years. And then I still have all of these from Natalie's Spring Bloom kit. More of those cabinet cards in different sizes, larger tags that I can work with. So that is what I have to play with. I'm just going to finish filling up pages is all. And they'll be done. So thanks for joining me in the studio this morning. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you back here on Wednesday with our next design idea for our cabinet cards and a special announcement you're not going to want to miss. Creative blessings.